Hi, my name is Jacqueline Reid and I work for New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service in the Greater Blue Mountains World Heritage Area here in Australia. On behalf of our partners, I'd like to share with you the Bush Trackers project. Bush Trackers engages children, the best ambassadors about the fun and exciting places in the bush surrounding their villages. National Parks Discovery Rangers coordinate a local bushwalk for children 8 to 10 years old from a local school. The children discover and learn about the intrinsic and functional value of nature and protected areas and produce art and poetry about their experiences and favourite places on the walk. Why Bush Trackers? Well, like a lot of places, I guess, our children seem to be glued to their screen somewhere or another, and we feel this is a local response to the nature deficit disorder suffered by some of our children and families, despite living in or visiting the Greater Blue Mountains World Heritage Area, which is listed for its natural values. The inspiration and support for the Bush Trackers project came from the Stronger Families Alliance, a groundbreaking collaborative impact network of government, non-profit and voluntary organisations working together to bring friendship, fun and professional support to Blue Mountains families with a vision and strategy to create a child-friendly community in the Blue Mountains. Performing Design used these hundreds of pieces of artwork to create the Bush Tracker map and guide, which are delightfully authentic, double-sided A3 guides which encourage families to discover and explore the bush from a kid's perspective. Each Bush Tracker map gives safety and minimal impact advice and show how easy it is to spend fun time in the bush. The focus is not just on bush walking, but on being in the bush and creating opportunities for children to discover and explore it at their own pace.